Hey guys, Winstreak here. Today I am working on helping out Klonoa 1545. They are looking to essentially stop their triggers from repeatedly happening, and they have a very specific reason they want to stop it here, but I'm just going to show a quick example of a way to do it no matter what. And I'm starting with some code already down and some graphics already down. I just have a text box here and two different sprites. One is just the health bar, and one's the health bar border. So those are there, and then inside here for the code we just have three global variables. We have the health and max health, and I'll use these two to find the percentage of health left and multiply it by the size of the total health bar, and that'll just show the percentage of health. And then I have Afterlife, which I haven't done anything with, and that's what I'll use to help him stop his issue with infinite loops. And then here we just have every 0.5 seconds the health is going to drop by 10, and this will show the health bar drop and show the text. And I'll just run that real quick. You can see the health bar dropping down and this dropping by 10%, and then it goes down to 0 and stops doing stuff. It is still dropping health forever, so this HP is negative something a lot, but we have it stop checking once it goes below 0, so it doesn't show a gross negative number and doesn't break our width. But moving on from there, we're going to have it check to see if it hits 0, and if it does, we're going to give it a second life, and we're going to make that only happen one time. So we're going to start off with a variable check, and we're going to look at life here. And if life is less than or equal to 0, and I always like to use less than or equal to if possible rather than just equal, because like I was saying earlier, this negative 10 every 0.5 seconds, that can go below 0. So you want to still catch this if it goes to negative 5, negative 10. It doesn't matter. You want it no matter what, if it's below 0, to trigger. So make sure you have that less than in there as well as the equal. And then we're also going to set our second variable, and this is the one to check to make sure it only happens once. And we're matching this with how we set Afterlife. And then once it happens, the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and set that Afterlife up to another number. And this is the whole catch right here. So it's starting out at 0. Once this happens once, because it's 0, it's setting it to 1, which means it can't happen again, and that'll fix your problems with it triggering over and over again. And then you can set as many different things to happen here as you want. So just to finish this up, we'll go ahead and we'll change this color so we can see something happened. And if I throw some value in on this side, we'll just get a black health bar. And then we will go ahead and add a little more code here. Compare variable. Health is ever less than 0. And we're just going to go ahead and set this text to say he's dead. And we'll run it and show you everything's working. So we go the one round all the way down to 0. Boom, Afterlife is triggered, and it didn't work. So what did we miss? Looking over real quick, set Afterlife to 1. Oh, we never set the health up, so that might help. So we're going to set health to 50. So that'll make the health jump back up. And then one more time through here. So dropping down to 0, and then it'll come down here and trigger all this. And then it comes down here and triggers that, and they are dead. And that is all. That should help you out. Let me know if you have any more questions.